Oxford Tower, Archer 33121, we're on point. We're going to begin our videotaping of the Housatonic River to the shoreline. Standard frequency.
Archer 33121, roger.
Oxford Tower 33121, looks like I'm going to nip your delta over here. Is that okay?
33121, you still have the transition on this frequency.
Thank you, Tower 33121. Bridgeport Tower, Archer 33121, we're 10 miles to the northeast with Juliet. I'd like to trace the river and then come into our landing runway 6, please.
Alright, 33121 Bridgeport, and you're northeast of the airport, correct?
Yes, sir. Archer 33121 is 10 miles northeast of the airport, right over the river, getting close to the Sikorsky Heliport Delta.
Roger that. Report when you're just over Sikorsky Heliport and expect a left downwind entry runway 6.
Roger that, sir. And then just to clarify, I'm videotaping the river, so can I come all the way down to the shore, please?
Negative. I do have left traffic pattern runway 6.
Understood. We'll report over the heliport for Archer 33121.
What's the minimum altitude required to fly for your video?
Right now I was doing 2,000, but we can end it early, sir. It's all good for Archer 33121.
At above 2,000, and that transition's approved. We'll plan for a right downwind entry runway 6 after you cross over the shoreline on the east side of the airport.
Awesome, sir. Thank you. Archer 33121, 2,000 feet for the transition, and we'll expect a right downwind for runway 6, 33121. Bridgeport Tower, Archer 33121, reporting over Sikorsky Bridge 2000.
Cherry 121, roger, got you inside out there, thanks.
Bridgeport Tower, Aero 220, holding short at Bravo for runway 6. Would we be able to get another pattern work available?
Aero 220, runway 6, Bravo, clear for takeoff on departure, make left trip.
Clear for takeoff, runway 6, for left traffic, Aero 220.
Alright, guns check, collection fuel pumps on, landing lights on, wingtip lights on, anti-collision time, pictures full ridge. We're on the fullest tank, on the right tank. Bridgeport Tower, Archer 33121 is beginning descent for right downwind for runway 6.
Archer 121, roger. And just continue on that right downwind. I'll call your base turn.